In this video, we will go over how to use an if statement with the TemplateId parameter. We will build something on the account object using my test solution button. First, we can go to Conga Solutions, create a new record, select the account record, and create a button. Add a few parameters. But to modify the TemplateId with an if statement, we will have to use the Salesforce formula. With that, we will not use the Conga Solution Manager, but instead the Object Manager. Go to Salesforce Setup, go to the account object, or whatever object you're creating a button on, go to Buttons, and find your solution. Then click Edit. From here, we'll add a TemplateId parameter. We'll add an if statement. And for this one, as our logical test field, we'll use the master NDA account accepted checkbox. So if we go back to our field, highlight the logical test, we'll find our master NDA accepted. For our true value, we'll go ahead and select a template. We can either use the 15-digit Salesforce ID in the URL or the Conga key located here. For a false value, we'll use a different Conga key. And save. If we go back to our account record and select one that has a master NDA accepted as false, we can use our test solution. And it'll select a specific template for us. Returning to account, we can select a different account. That has this box checked already. We'll use that same test solution. And it'll select a different template.